Hello, my friends. It's been a minute. So here I am. I'm testing out some new features. So this past month, I think the last time I did a recording, an update on what my journey was on having YouTube channels, I had done some updates on some things that I learned. I have been kicking around a new tool called Descript, and I got Descript's recommendation from Vanessa Lau, who is awesome. She has so much information in her channels. And I actually also picked up my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 based on her recommendation. This has been a game changer, which you'll see in my most recent video under Midlife Muscle and Mindset was it has tracking technology. So as I move, the camera follows me. Plus it has a pretty sweet mic that I can just clip inside my shirt and the audio comes in good. I apologize. I'm not using a microphone right now. So my audio is going to probably sound tinny, but the script will also clean that up as well because it's got a really sweet editor. So let's take a look at my analytics so far. Basically, what I was struggling with the last update I did was just after this video. And what I had been seeing was my numbers began to drop down into single digits. And there's a number of reasons why that could happen. One, I'm still trying to suss this out, right? I'm still trying to figure out exactly what niche this video fits in. I belong to a couple of new YouTuber communities. Some of my friends had taken a look at it and they were like, okay, so what's your niche with this? Are you doing fitness? Are you doing mindset? Are you doing self-help? What are you doing? And the answer was like all of the above, which is honestly, it's not the smartest thing to do, but I'm still so new at it and still have such a small subscription base in this channel that I'm just trying to figure out what people respond to. One of my biggest issues, though, was that I would work so hard on the video and I'd get the editing done. I'd post the video without a thumbnail and get to the thumbnail later. And that had been really hurting me. So far, this is my most recent video, how my morning routine changed everything. First of all, I got the title suggestion from Live Video School. I subscribe to their top trending titles, and it's like a plug and play where you take a look at a title and you're like, oh, I can put this in there and this. And this was perfect for me. So basically, the blank prompt was how my blank changed everything. And so my morning routine truly has changed everything. This is not hyperbole. I firmly believe in it. So this was a perfect thing for me to choose. So I chose this particular one. And if we go to analytics, it's doing so much better than my other videos. And granted, it's only 36 views. I know this is nothing, but I'm happy with it. I'm grateful, so grateful that something I did is gaining a little traction. So first I did my thumbnail and I made sure my thumbnail was done. I made sure I changed my video tags. Watch time, listen, we're talking, I'm on pennies here, right? I just consider that I'm very successful, that I had 36 viewers so far, and I've had this up for just a few days. I'm happy with it. I'll take it. I'll be grateful. But here's something that we need to take a look at too, is like, where are people falling off, right? So my retention here is not great. As soon as people start watching, it's like within a minute, boom, people, I like 2 minutes, I've down to 20%. Where people had started, my click-through rate is still poor, which means I'm not doing something to sustain their attention. And that's usually like when you watch the YouTubers, they talk about delivering on a promise. You start your video with what you're going to give them, you tantalize things, but you deliver on your promise and you make sure that they understand the value that they're going to get from watching your video all the way through. Now, one of the things that I have not done yet is watch this, say the words, watch this video all the way through to this ending and see if that retains people. What I did do with this video, though, is if I go into the details of this video, I did put in chapters. I never had done that before. I also mentioned the other channels that have been really significant on my journey and some books. And actually, Descript really helped me out with this too. Descript did my chapters for me. It helped me with my, which was awesome. The thumbnail, that was all Canva. I just liked this background. It was a yoga background initially. I highlighted the text to make the text stand out a little bit more, but I wanted it to be a chill vibe. And there I changed some of my tags in there, just remembering that the people who might be looking for motivation or transformation, midlife things would find that interesting. So that's the details on that. And you'll see here's just vidIQ doing its thing. vidIQ, this was actually this was my title. vidIQ is capping that. They're suggesting other ones. So vidIQ is a service I'm paying for to help give me some recommendations. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. What it is very useful for, though, is taking a look at somebody else's channel, seeing their tags. So if there's somebody else that's like a competitor in this space, or I like to think of it as a colleague in this space, somebody else who talks about the same things, I can go take a look and see on their page what tags they used for their page. And I could copy those tags, because if we're in the same category, but I am not tagging my channel effectively, the algorithm is not going to pick up on that. The other thing that I did with this particular video is I uploaded it and I kept it private for one day. There's some conjecture out there that if you upload your video and you leave it private, you give the algorithm some time to suss out where it belongs before it starts feeding it to people. And I didn't go public until I had my thumbnail done, which is something I had not done in the past. But I'll take it. Like, you'll see that my views have definitely increased from the last few videos I did. There are some, let's see, go from dates. So in the beginning, I had 28 views about HRT. Maybe I should go back and revisit that. This is when I was confusing. I was throwing everything at the wall here, and I'm probably going to take this video down and put it on this YouTube and Money and Miles channel. And then I have some other things, like this was are you making these common fitness mistakes? I think that was a vidIQ title. And this upper body workout with me, like, it seems like the workouts were doing okay. I have another one, the big glutes one. Hey, that one did well. Everybody likes big glutes, right? So I'm happy. Like, 'cause I went through a period of time where it was just like dying out, and I was getting nervous because I'm having single digit views here, the last 3 uploads here, and here. This one wasn't too bad. I could rebrand this one, but this I'm happy with. 34 views. I had a comment on there that I responded to. So this feels better, and I'm hoping that this continues to get better. Let's see, other things I need to do. All right, so the new tactics that I got from Vanessa Lau, I started using Descript. This was the first video that I used Descript to edit, and Descript it's great. It's a great editor. I had been using CapCut, and before CapCut, I was using iMovie. CapCut, I still would use on my phone, but Descript just makes life so much easier. I can't even describe it. It shortened the editing process for me was so long, and that's why I was only doing talking head videos, because they were the easiest to edit. Descript has definitely helped me out. And to be clear, in this process, I have so far subscribed to vidIQ, OpusClips, Riverside. I subscribed to CapCut, and now I subscribe to Descript, and I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, Epidemic Sound, which I don't know if I really need that anymore. I might keep it, but I've invested a decent amount of money just trying to try all the tools. So far, what I'm using is I'm using this more frequently, still my phone on occasion, once in a while, my computer camera. I am using Descript for my editing right now, and I'm really going to invest time learning how to use that better. I'm paying close attention to, I need to have decent thumbnails. And here's a dichotomy. Another YouTuber I follow is Syndicate Media, and Syndicate Media has noticed in his videos that people are responding to his in-car videos. And so his thumbnails are simply the picture of him in his car doing some kind of mug, and then just have a title. And those are performing better for him than his more highly edited thumbnails. So he switched to he's recording in the car, and he's doing his thumbnails based on a shot of him being in the car. And those are performing consistently well for him. So for me, it's really learning how to understand my analytics better. And again, I have very little here, but the other thing I've learned is shorts just get you nowhere. Shorts, unless you're a shorts creator and you live in shorts, it's really not going to do you any good. It actually hurts your performance. I've only done one live. I think that one of the things I might do, I did another live here, just not here. I don't, oh, because I turned it to regular video. I think I might start in regularly scheduled lives, whether anybody shows up or not. That just also creates content. And here's cool, like your next ideas for your next video. YouTube does want to do the work for you. Oh, look at this. I might actually take this one. This is pretty good. The unexpected values of saying no after 45. Who doesn't like to say no? All right. So that is my update. On this particular channel, I am also going to be documenting a vacation I used all miles for and laid out very little cash, which I'm super excited about. Probably not going to publish that sometime until after the vacation, but I just thought that it would be cool to post something like that as well, because this channel is the Midlife Money and Miles. Or maybe it should just be YouTube. Anyway, thank you for getting this far and watching, and I'll see you in the next video.